Hey guys, Roger here from Elite Realty Group, and boy do I have something for you. I have a property that's been renovated from top to bottom and I want to show it to you before it hits the market. Give me a call, shoot me a text right here, 647-360-5900, and we'll get you in here before anybody else. This property is not only great for investors, but it's also great for the end user. We have a house that's been renovated from top to bottom. This one also has a separate basement apartment that's perfect for extra revenue. So whether you want to buy it for yourself, live upstairs, rent out downstairs, or if you want it to be able to make you extra money, this is the property you've been waiting for. And guess what? This one won't break the bank. This property is a steal. Give me a call, shoot me a text. Let's get you in here before it's gone.